got some news,
said the pastor.
that the board voted in.
Yeah.
We're replacing your position with a new IBM.
What?
We sold that old projector
No.
to the church down the street.
Oh,
And you're gonna have to turn in your
my
transparencies.
Oh, those awful words. Hit me straight in my chest. Could this be a joke?
No, sorry.
Could this be in jest? You can have them, I said. Then a long silence lingered. When you pry them yourself from my cold, dead fingers. Oh, 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 it is my lifelong call to put the words on the wall. I am the certified director of the overhead projector. You'll never take this job. Take this job, they wouldn't take my job from me.